We're gonna keep on walking through the darkness carrying our torches.
Mentally armed with the first round chamber, a hollow point, Teflon thought for a stranger. Locked and cocked, ready to squeeze the trigger. Thought for a minute, then presented and delivered. Offering points of view to be reflected. Intriguing those exposed to absorb wisdom collected. Slowly minds of darkness are replaced by the dawn. What once made no sense makes ignorance gone. Enlightenment starts to grace the thoughts of anyone receptive to the gift I brought. The burning questions, the wheels begin spinning, churning ideas, and now the beginning of thinking to the point where sensing becomes the need to proceed and enhance everyone. We're the useless ones, cause they no longer use us. Philosophy manifested, given by Brofucius.